ARCHLine.XP is a parametric BIM software. That means that the program gives you a central model from which all calculations, estimates, quantity takeoffs, sections, elevations are originated. Instead of lines, you work with walls, doors, windows, roofs, and so on, all equipped with their relevant properties. The software organizes the project into views, in which the model is displayed in different appearances. Each view has specific graphic settings, such as the scale of detail, visual effects, and other options that help create a quality document that communicates the project through visual representation. The objects that I click in the section are the same everywhere, and how modification operations in one or another view are reflected in all of them. For example, if I change the position or size of a door in the section view, the other views automatically follow the change. The project includes the complete description of the building and all the information needed to display the floor plans of the building and the 3D model. The software is parametric. It thinks in objects. These are, for example, the properties of a wall. When you save the project, all views of the building, such as floor plan, elevations, sections, perspective views, are saved in one file. This project file contains all the information, including the textures and settings. Within the project, the floor plan of the building, the different views, the layouts are in a dynamic relationship with each other. You can easily place the drawing that make up a project together on a layout and print them together. In this example, you can display rooms in different colors according to their various parameters. Managing the project is simple, easy to move from one computer to another one because you only need to copy one file. For more information and videos, visit our website ARCHLine.XP.com. Download ARCHLine.XP now!